In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a reusable knowledge base in ClickUp with templates and AI. We'll start inside your ClickUp workspace. From the left sidebar, open whiteboards. Keeping your planning and structure close to your documentation makes it easier to connect ideas with the content you'll publish later. From whiteboards, click Home to jump quickly to your spaces and recent work. This gives you a central hub to move between planning, building, and publishing without losing context. Next, open the space where your knowledge base will live. This could be a company-wide hub, a product area, or a team wiki. Spaces are ideal because they're easy to share with the right people and to manage permissions so your audience sees exactly what they need. Open the space menu by clicking the three dots next to the space name. Choose Templates, then select Browse Templates to open the full library. This is where you'll save time by using a proven structure instead of starting from scratch. At the top, set the filter to all template types so you can see templates that include docs, lists, and folders. In the search bar, type Knowledge Base. Review the options and pick a template that matches your audience, internal teams, clients, or partners, and the style you prefer, whether that's simple, detailed, or more hierarchical. Click Use Template, give it a clear name like Team Knowledge Base, Product Help Center, or Client Onboarding KB. Then click Use Template again to add it to your space. Once it's loaded, open your new knowledge base. You'll see folders or categories such as processes, SOPs, and FAQs, along with example docs or lists. Customize the structure to fit your needs. Rename categories, add or remove sections, and adjust permissions if necessary so authors and readers have the right access. A clear, intuitive structure now will save countless questions later. To draft and polish content faster, open a doc within the knowledge base and click Ask AI. Use AI to generate first drafts from short prompts, create outlines for new categories, summarize long documents into concise how-tos, and standardize tone, structure, headings, and introductions. So every entry feels consistent and professional. As your team contributes, keep using the same structure and the same AI prompts so new entries match the existing style. Treat the knowledge base as a living hub, update it regularly as processes change, and use AI to refresh outdated articles or expand sections that need more depth. Over time, this consistency turns your space into a reliable, searchable source of truth. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.